Today I'm going to show you how to quickly make a lovely tulle tutu skirt without having to sew. It's really easy to make and fun for children as well. All you need is a stretchy crochet headband or a length of ribbon and a couple rolls of tulle. You will also need a pair of scissors, a tape measure and optionally some cardboard and a bodyboard. Before we begin, we'll need to pick some colours. There's a huge variety to choose from, but my favourite are the ones with the glitter. Today, I've chosen colours inspired by the movie Frozen. First, decide on the length of skirt you would like and cut a piece of cardboard to twice that length. I want a 25cm long skirt, so I'm cutting my cardboard to 50cm. Wrap your tulle around the cardboard a number of times and then cut it at each end to create individual strips. Do this for all the colours. This cardboard trick saves a lot of time compared to cutting the tulle strips individually. Next, take your stretchy crochet headband and stretch it over a bodyboard or a piece of cardboard. Take a strip of tulle, fold it in half and thread it through one of the holes in the headband. Once through, create a loop and pull through the ends of the tulle. You can use ribbon here instead if you don't have a stretchy crochet headband. Continue until you've created a full skirt. You can add as many additional layers as you like. Here, I've used 3 layers of different colours. And there you go! An easy and quick DIY project that doesn't require any sewing. To get everything you need to make these lovely skirts, visit our website at www.houseofadorn.com.